dice. Cash for the button hooks.
Cash for the cotton goods. Cash for the bar goods.
Cash for the soft goods. Cash for the fancy goods.
Cash for the nuggies and the piggies and the furries.
Cash for the hot and cash and demijohn. Cash for the crackers and the pickles and the flying paper.
Look, what do you talk? 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 Ready again? What do you talk?
You can talk, you can talk. You can bicker, you can talk. You can bicker, bicker, bicker. You can talk, you can talk. You can talk, 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 talk. Bicker, bicker, bicker. You can talk all you wanna, but it's different than it was.
No, it ain't. No, it ain't. But you gotta know the territories.
Why it's a Model T Ford making trouble, make the people wanna go, wanna get up and go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 22, 23 miles to the county seat. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Who's gonna patronize a little bitty 2x4 kind of store anymore?
What do you talk? What do you talk? Ready again? Got the Model T at all. Take a gander at the store, at the modern store, at the present day store, at the modern departmental.
Up.
Talk. What do you talk? What do you talk? What do you talk? What do you talk? Ready again? What do you talk? What do you talk? What do you talk? Ready again?
You talk. You can bicker, you can talk. You can bicker, you can talk, talk. Bicker, bicker, bicker. You can talk all you wanna, but it's different than it was.
No, it ain't, but you gotta know the territory.
Why, it's a you need a biscuit, baby trouble. You need to put the crackers in a package, You need a biscuit in an airtight sanitary package, baby. Cracker Barrel. Obsolete.
Cracker Barrel went out the window with the nail half plugged from the store. Changed the approach of the gentleman salesman. Made it pretty hard. No, it didn't, but you gotta know the territory.
Gone with the hogshead, cask and demijohn. Gone with the sugar barrel, pickle barrel, milk pan. Gone with the tub and the pail and the tears.
Ever met a fella by the name of Hill?
No! Just a minute! Never heard of any salesman hit.
Now he doesn't know the territory.
Doesn't know the territory? What's a fella's line?
Never worries about his line.
Never worries about his line.
Or the Cracker Barrel being obsolete. Or the you need a biscuit in an airtight sanitary package. Or the Model T Ford.
Just a minute!
Worries about his line.
Never worries about his line.
Or a doggone thing. He's just a bang, beat, bell ringing, big heart rate go. Never nothing grit for every kind of full-time salesman. That's Professor Harold Hill.
Tell us, what's his line?
Doesn't know the territory.
Look, what do you talk?
He's a music man.
He's a what?
He's a music man, and he sells clarinets to the kids in the town with the big trombones and the rat-a-tat drum, and the big brass bass, and the piccolo, uniforms too, with the shiny gold braid on the coat and a big red strap on it.
Well, I don't know much about bands, but I do know you can't make a living selling big trombones. No, sir. Mandolin picks, perhaps, and here and there a Judas harp.
No, the fella sells bands, boys bands. I don't know how he does it, but he lives like a king, and he dallies and he gathers and he plucks and he shines. And when the man dances served and the boys, what else? Piper pays him. Yes,